Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by opening the Camscanner file you want to clean. Export a copy as an image or PDF at the highest quality setting so details remain sharp. Once done, make sure you're working on the copy, never overwrite the original. You'll need this copy for editing steps that follow, and keeping the original lets you retry if something goes wrong. Prepare an image editor or PDF tool before moving on. That speeds the process and avoids repeated exports. Now you remove the watermark itself with targeted edits. Use clone, healing, or content-aware fill tools to sample nearby pixels and blend over the watermark. This preserves texture and lighting. If you're working from a PDF, convert the page to an image or use a PDF editor that supports image patching. Work at high zoom, 200% or more, to carefully rebuild edges. Take small brush strokes with a soft edge and alternate sampling points so repeated patterns don't reveal the edit. Finish by exporting the edited page at the original resolution, then compare it side by side with the backup to confirm consistency. Once done, inspect for subtle artifacts. Adding a touch of image noise or gentle sharpening helps match the surrounding grain. If something looks off, undo and retry with different sampling areas, or try an AI-based remove tool that can infer content. If edits leave hard edges, use feathered masks and repeat blending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.